In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers to a PDF without Acrobat using Smallpdf. If you've ever sent a document and realized it's missing page numbers, this quick method will save you time and keep your files polished. We're using Smallpdf, a simple web-based tool, so there's no software to install. Start by opening your browser and heading to smallpdf.com. On the home page, look for the tool called Number Pages. If you don't see it right away, use the site search bar or browse under the editing tools. Click it to open the page where we'll add the numbering. Next, upload your PDF. You can drag and drop your file into the upload area or click to select it from your computer. Smallpdf will load a preview of your document so you can see all the pages before you make changes. Large files may take a moment, and that's normal. If your document already has page numbers baked in, be aware this process will add a second set, so choose a location that doesn't overlap. Now choose where the page number should appear. You'll see placement options like top left, bottom right, or center bottom. For most reports and school papers, bottom center is clean and easy to read. If your document has a big footer, bottom right often avoids clashes. For printed materials with a binding or margin on the left, top or bottom right can feel more balanced. The key is consistency and visibility. Make sure the numbers won't hide behind graphics or close to the edge where they could be trimmed. When you're happy with the position, confirm by clicking the button to apply the numbers. This may be labeled Number Pages or Finish. Smallpdf will process your file and add page numbers to every page automatically. It usually takes just a few seconds. If anything looks off in the preview, simply go back and adjust the placement before finalizing. Once the numbering is complete, click Download to save your updated PDF. Choose a clear file name so it's easy to find later. Your document now has clean, professional page numbers, and you didn't need Acrobat or any extra software. If you're working with sensitive files, remember this is an online tool. As a best practice, download promptly and store the results securely. Also note that free users may have limits on how many tasks they can run per day. That's it, quick, tidy, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.